Welcome back to Chi-Chi's Igbo language services. In this video, I will briefly discuss the tertiary colors as well as how brown, black, and white are made. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell. In Igbo culture, the concept of tertiary colors is mostly unknown. Therefore, Igbo words for tertiary colors do not exist. Usually, the Igbo words to visualize tertiary colors will depend on the following. 1 is the individual seeing the color. 2 is whatever secondary color the viewer believes that particular tertiary color leans towards. For instance, if an individual sees a blue-green color as blue, then that particular blue-green color will be perceived as blue. If another individual sees a blue-green color as green, then that particular blue-green color will be perceived as green. De ocha aja is a tertiary color that is made with different primary and secondary colors. The different combined colors that you see here create different shades of aja. The color combination that I know on how to make aja is the combination of obara na OG. Such various color combinations will give any artist an opportunity to broaden his or her artistic horizons, like you see here. De ocha OG is another tertiary color that is made with the combination of mmemme na akwụkwọ. However, the combination of these other primary and secondary colors can be used to make OG as well. You see, when it comes to creating tertiary colors like nchara maọbụ OG, the color combinations vary differently based on what you see here, as well as based on the color combinations created by an individual. Such color creations differ from individual to individual. The point is, the color combinations for aja na OG that I learned as a child and the ones you see here are not set in stone. Therefore, tertiary colors can be created by thinking outside of the box. Do you know any other color combinations for aja na OG that are not present in this video? Place your thoughts in the comments below. Can you mix colors to create the ocha known as ocha? The answer is no, you can't. Not with pigment or paint or dyes. According to the Smithsonian, the combination of red, green, and blue light creates white light. That being said, mixing ocha with any other color lightens the color. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell. To learn more about Igbo colors, click on these videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.